Hi community, today you will learn 5 dark Python patterns that will probably make you a star at every party, and if not, you may at least annoy your colleagues with them. The first one is cursed built-ins. In this file we are basically patching reality. Python resolves the print statement with builtins.print, so if we replace that function, we will change what print means for the entire interpreter. We wrap the swap in a context manager so the change only exists for a short controlled scope, and then we restore the original in a finally block. Inside that cursed scope, every print call automatically goes through our wrapper, so we can apply any transformation that we want. In our demo, we just reverse the print statement, which makes it instantly obvious that the whole environment is temporarily possessed. The second one is the infinite attribute chain. In this file, we are creating the illusion of a fully featured client library without actually implementing any endpoints. The pattern is, whenever Python can't find an attribute, it will ask the __getAttr method. And we can use that moment to return a new object that remembers the path we just requested. By repeating chaining attributes, we build a call path like app.billing.invoices.get step by step, even though none of the objects really exists. Then we make our final object callable, so the chain can be executed like a function. The magic is that it looks like a real SDK with endless methods, but it's actually just a dynamic attribute resolution plus a tiny bit of state. The third one are phantom imports. This file hijacks the import system to create modules out of thin air. Python doesn't only look at files on disk, it also consults import hooks registered in sys metapath, and those hooks can decide how a module gets loaded. We add our own finder and loader, and whenever we see a module name that matches a pattern like API _ and then star, we claim it. Instead of reading a file, we generate a module at runtime and populate it with whatever function we want, like a get method. The end result is a pure illusion. Import API users works even though there is no API users.py, because we made the import system fabricate that module on demand. The fourth one is a soul swap. So this file demonstrates the idea that in Python, a function is an object and the actual executable part of that function can be replaced. A function has an __ code attribute which represents its compiled implementation. If we assign a different code object to it, we are not creating a new function, we are changing what the existing function does internally. That means every place in the program that already holds a reference to that function will start executing the new behavior immediately without any rebinding. That's why it feels like a soul swap. The name and the identity stay the same, but the behavior becomes something completely different. The last one is the transformer instance. In this file we mutate an object into another type at runtime. Every object in Python is tied to a class, and that class controls method lookups and behavior. If we assign a different class to __ class, we are telling Python to treat the same instance as if it were created from a different blueprint. That's why our bot suddenly gains new abilities like fly without creating a new object or changing references. This pattern is essentially upgrade by mutation. The identity stays the same, but the object's behavior changes instantly. It's a cheat code style trick perfect for demo and completely cursed if you ever want to maintain it. Do you know any weird, cursed or just funny patterns that we may not have heard of? Let us know that in the comments.